This is Kane University by potatolab. I am Dr. Lim Yang-so. We are doing the micro tuber planting in this tray called strawberry tray. We choose this one because it has less substrate and also it has good drainage and ventilation, and root development is very good. And so also each cells has its own space, so this less substrate than the black one, and this is pretty deep too, so it has good tuber numbers and good size. And actually you can use the water here here. You can put the drip irrigation tapes here so they can water very evenly each rows.